So guys, this is the continuation to the part 1 Gajoldoba vlog, which is already up on my channel. I will link it right up here. And yes, let's continue.
So next I'm here maybe for having some snacks. Resort, and there's like outer seating as well and a swimming pool, and let's see what's inside.
And once we enter, this is the reception area, and I will show you the rooms as well. So first we will show you the normal room that they have, which is also quite nice. Next we are going to see the suite, and which is the best part of this place. Look how gorgeous the room is, and yes, they have 2 beds in here. So inside this room they have a staircase, and you just have to use the stairs, and you can see there is a different bed up here.
We are currently going to the restaurant part. I guess this is the conference room. This is the restaurant. So this is, I think, my most favorite part. This is the pool area, and this is the restaurant, and you can see this is the swimming pool, and yes, it's been cleaned regularly, I guess. That's good. And that's my brother just laying around, and these are the rooms, and yes.
And yes, that's it for this video. ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবে না, and if you want any other type of video for me to do in Siliguri and vacant places to visit, you can leave it in the comments and I will try to do it. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.